Hello and welcome. It's Gilly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland. I have a 50 by 55 canvas. I was in my art room and I was actually just wanted to not talk over the video. I just wanted to let the paint guide me and just basically go freestyle. When I arrived in front of that canvas, I had no idea what I was going to do, what style or technique, and I just let it lead its own way. So I'm going to let you watch the twists and turns in this one, areas that I just wasn't happy with. I didn't feel so, scraped, started again, but the end result was something really moving to me personally, and that's what art can do for you. So it was a process that I really enjoyed, and I really hope you enjoy it too. So here we go. just kept changing my mind with that top bit, didn't I? Yes, this one definitely took some twists and turns for me to feel it was finished. And I suppose it's just as in life, everything might look fine from the outside, but you're just not happy with a situation or the way something's going. And it just brings back reiterates to me that nothing in life, as in the art room, you can't change to what you feel is correct. So I just scrape and change and go on from there. But I must say I was very happy with the end result, how I left it. So I hope that you like it too. And just a little reminder to you guys, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please ring a family member or a friend, or if that isn't available to you, definitely a helpline. Do not suffer in silence. So remember, as in your art, if you have something that you really love, there's so many good printers that you can print any size from your art, from a good quality print. So these are all options that you could have. Bye for now.